Hello everyone and welcome. Great to have you all today here. My name is Dominic and I'll be guiding you through a webinar where we'll see the current state of software on our market and some new features that we have coming up. Uh, if this is your first time here, I'm part of the team at CAD Global, where we help people work smarter with BIM, CAD, and rendering software. This is not a learning software this time, but we'll continue the learning webinar next time with Enscape. So stay put about that. I will be muting all of you, but you can write in chat or unmute yourself if you need to ask some questions. So feel free to do that. And this will be a quick webinar, brisk one, because there are some holidays coming, 1st of May. So we won't hang on to you too long. So before we dive in, I want to quickly remind you of something exciting we launched at CAD Global. We're currently offering 10 free seats for our brand new SketchUp Master course. This is a premium hands-on course with weekly live sessions, assignments, and progress tracking, personal support, and at the end of it, you get a certificate to prove your skill. So the full value of this course is around 200 euros, but we are offering it completely free for the first 10 participants that join, that say to us that they want to join. Some seats are taken. I think a couple of them are still free. So if you want to join or have somebody that wants to join, uh, please let them know. If you're starting with SketchUp, want to sharpen your workflow or something, just drop a message in the chat or send us an email, and we will be contacting you about this. So if you're interested, just let us know. And this is like a testing webinar. Testing, just a second. A testing course. Let me just remove this. There we go. So you will be, the main thing is the certificate you will be getting at the end of it, so you can prove your skills. So now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Uh, in this sea of software options that we have today, most of these are available at CAD Global. Most of them you know already, some of them though you don't. That's why things can get quickly overwhelming. There are tons of tools for everything, but not every tool that is worth your time or money. Some of them will just stay on your desktop and never be opened again if you just download them. At CAD Global, we've handpicked the most reliable, proven tools that deliver value, and we stand behind them with the best price guarantee. So whether you need something for technical drawing, design automation, fast renderings, or just versatile 3D modeling, we're here to help you choose the right tool for the right job. And if you're stuck, maybe need a solution for a very specific use case scenario, just reach out. We'll find the right software for you and your task to get solved. So most of these are available at CAD Global. We can see progeCAD, Autodesk, BricsCAD, CADprofi. We can see also Revit, Arcline, Fusion, Rhino, and so on. Now, here's where things get interesting a little bit. We've prepared these two radar charts where we can compare with the most requested tools. The first chart will look at cost and ease of use. The second one will compare compatibility, visual quality, and features. So let's break it down. Um, as you can see, these are the most used tools that we have: progeCAD, AutoCAD, BricsCAD, IronCAD, and such. SketchUp also, and these tools are most sold here in Croatia and Europe. So we will start from there. We have tons of research on them. That's why we are starting on them. Uh, so let's get started. Like on a one like progeCAD, one of our best-selling ones, because it's extremely versatile, affordable, and compatible with industry standards like DVG. Uh, as you can see, progeCAD, it's very easy to use. It's very affordable. It's a great program that can import and export stuff very easily. BricsCAD also can offer high levels of compatibility and is getting closer to full BIM functionalities, but at a lower price than AutoCAD. And AutoCAD, as most of you know, is very expensive and losing its value over time, as it's just staying the way it is. And even they are removing some features from AutoCAD now. So Arcline is more of a BIM software. If you want to draw 3D structures and such, IronCAD is a CAM software. It's great for CAM, but not so great for 3D and such. So we can see the blue one is cost. progeCAD has almost minimal costs, and SketchUp has even lower costs. Ease of use. progeCAD is easy to use, but that's why, because it is a CAD software. But SketchUp is much easier to use. So that's how the chart goes. You just read the color, what it means, and just find the software and see at what level it is. And you can also see the visual quality. Now this is an interesting one because Enscape and V-Ray are both very similar, but V-Ray has a better visual quality and compatibility is so-so, but V-Ray, and the ease of use is quite higher also. So you can easier you can easily use V-Ray than Enscape. Okay, and at CAD Global we are really taking the time to understand what its benefits are for every software, both functionally and financially for your projects. Most of these software are also sold like on monthly basis payment plans, but some of them are also sold for perpetual licensing. That's what our main aim is, to stop those subscriptions. Now, speaking of visualizations, on May the 8th, we'll be hosting the second part of our Enscape webinar series. If you have been joining our webinars weeks now, I had a webinar maybe 3 weeks ago before I went on my annual leave, where we started with Enscape. We started to see how to import models, how to put 3D models inside, how to render. Next time we will be going deeper into rendering, exporting techniques, finishing tips, and for the first time a live VR demonstration using the Meta Quest 3. So if you're interested in that, that will be quite fun, and it's going to be a live demonstration, so you can ask your questions as we go. If you ever wondered how to view your Enscape projects in VR, how to present them to a client, don't miss this one. It's quite fun. I did this quite a number of times to our clients, and they enjoyed it very much. And feel free to ask any questions today about what we will cover. I will make sure to address them in the next session. And as I said, this webinar is just informational before the holiday, 1st of May, so we can enjoy ourselves a little bit. That brings us to the end of today's session. Thanks again for taking the time to join us. I hope this helped you a little bit, give you some clarity on what's out there and how at CAD Global we can support you in picking the right tools and getting the best deals. Don't forget, if you're interested in SketchUp Master Course, let me know in the chat. It's a free €200 master course that we are giving away. You can just give us your email info, or send me an email, or send something in the chat here so we can contact you later. We already have some participants, so some seats are taken. So if you all say that you want to participate, I don't think we can take all of you, but there you go. And if you have some questions about VR in Enscape or other tools we covered, just reach out to us. And I hope to see you soon in our next webinar on May the 8th. Thank you and bye.